Hey, good morning everybody and welcome back to another video. I'm on vacation right now and I've got the brilliant idea to sneak out real early. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, by the way, to take some photos at the beach with my trusty Widelux. And the place where I am is called Ahrenshoop. It's a lovely place near the East Sea. And I thought maybe you want to come with me on this journey, so let's go! So we arrived at the place where I want to shoot, but before we start the shooting I want to tell you a little bit more about this camera. This camera is the Panon Widelux Panoramic camera. My one is the F7, it's built in Japan. Yeah, I own this camera for over 4 years now, and I can tell you these cameras are built like tanks. You can see my one already catch some battle scars, but it works perfectly anyway. So they are quite heavy, all mechanical, so there's no battery needed. This is quite helpful. And this camera does the image by swinging the lens from here to here, like this. And at the same time, the lens is swinging, the film is winding, so you get a film stripe. This is long like this. So these cameras are nearly indestructible, but there's one thing that will destroy this camera immediately. So never ever cock the shutter and change the speed after. This is a killer and this will destroy the camera immediately. So as you can see, it's a beautiful morning and the light is getting brighter and brighter. So I decided to bring some lovely Kodak Portra 160 with me, and hopefully this one will catch all the nice colors here at the beach. So all we need to do is load the camera, right? So let's go. So to load the camera, you just need to switch this button. Oh, the light is getting really nice right now. And you can open up this back cover. So I normally do like this, just blow a little bit air in it. So then take the film, put it right in here, and then this is a little bit tricky. You need to move the film a little bit like this, and it gets easier down this row. Now you do the same thing here. Ah, come on, I'm a little bit nervous. Wow. And then you need come on, where is it? There is it. To put it inside this thing. So that's it. Put the back cover on again, like this. Lock it and move it like this. That's it. And we're ready to go. So I set up the camera in front of this beautiful beach. And as you can see, I brought a bag with me to stabilize the camera because it's quite windy today. And one tip, you need to adjust the level of the camera so that this little bubble is in the center. Otherwise you will get really strange distortions into the image. So check this before you start shooting. And all we need to do now is metering the scene. I use an app called Light Meter. That's right, easy. It's an Android app, as you can see here. And I set it up all the settings. I used 160 ISO because the portrait only gives me that ISO range. And you can see it tells me to choose f8 and a speed of 200. So the problem is the Widelux only have 3 speeds available. It's 15, 125 and 250. So to reach one of the speeds I need to change my metering. So I decided to go for aperture 11 to catch enough details on the floor and the sand and on the sky as well at the same time. 250, aperture 11, cocks the shutter and takes a picture. So yeah, that's it. This is how you shoot a Widelux at the beach. And I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below or write me a message. And if you like, here are some more pictures from my vacation.